Welcome to our video on what is teamwork. In the next few minutes, we will explore the concept of teamwork, its core principles, and the transformative power of collaborative efforts. We will delve into the significance and the importance of effective communication, shared goals, and trust in fostering successful teamwork. Let us embark on this insightful journey into the world of collaboration. Teamwork is the collaborative effort of individuals working together towards a common goal. It involves pooling resources, skills, and expertise to achieve shared objective. Teamwork is characterized by effective communication, mutual support, and a shared commitment to success. It harnesses the collective intelligence, creativity, and capabilities of the team. Effective communication is a cornerstone of successful teamwork. Clear and open communication ensures that team members understand expectations, goals, and individual responsibilities. It allows for the sharing of ideas, perspectives, and feedback. Effective communication promotes understanding, trust, and collaboration, enabling teams to navigate challenges and make informed decisions together. Teamwork thrives when there are shared goals and clearly defined roles. When team members have a common understanding of the desired outcomes, they can align their efforts towards achieving those goals. Each team member's role should be well defined, ensuring that everyone understands their specific contributions and responsibilities within the team. Trust. Now, trust is a vital element of successful teamwork. It creates a safe and supportive environment where team members can express their ideas, take calculated risks, and rely on each other's capabilities. Trust also fosters collaboration, encourages open dialogue, and promotes a sense of unity and shared purpose. When trust is present, team can overcome challenges, adapt to change, and achieve remarkable success. Towards conclusion, teamwork is the collaborative effort of individuals working together towards a common goal. It thrives when there is effective communication, shared goals, and the foundation of trust. Successful teamwork allows for the pooling of diverse skills, perspective, and experiences, creating synergy that leads to exceptional outcomes. By embracing the principle of teamwork, we can tap into the collective intelligence and achieve remarkable success together. Thank you so much for joining us on this insightful exploration of what teamwork is. If you found this video insightful and valuable, please share it with others who may benefit from understanding the power of collaboration. Also, subscribe our channel for more such insightful content. Remember, if you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to go far, go with the team. In the next upcoming video, we will elaborate this quote. Until next time, stay motivated and stay happy. See you.